Consistency doesn't start with rigid routines. It starts with small, flexible starting points, little anchors that you can come back to even on days where energy or focus feel low. What you'll build here is a gentle starting ritual, a simple dialogue with AI that helps you begin without force or pressure. Each time you use it, you and the system learn a little more about what supports you best. Your flow will help you pause or reconnect with where you're at today. It'll offer a light, flexible starting point for your day. It will feel safe to return to, no matter your energy. Again, this doesn't have to and shouldn't be perfect. This should help you build something that helps you begin. Let's break it down. Step 1, invite AI into the dialogue. You can try this starter structure and adjust it how you want. Here's what I say. Act as a gentle consistency partner. Help me check in how I'm doing today. Energy, focus, and mood. Ask clarifying questions. Suggest one small starting point and help me shape a simple ritual to support it. Notice how this opens a conversation. You're not just giving a command. Step 2, share your context. Before you run a prompt, give clues. Here's what helps me start. Name a few things. Here's what tends to stall me. Name a few things. And today I'm feeling brief energy check. Step 3, let the dialogue unfold naturally. Answer AI's clarifying questions. It might ask you things like, what's one tiny action that helps you get started? What's a sensory or physical clue that could help you signal the start? What tone feels best for today? Step 4, try it. Follow your small action and the ritual it gives you. Just see how it feels. Here's one I use that AI helps me identify and solidify into my morning. As soon as I wake up, I do not hit snooze. I put my feet on the ground and immediately open all of the blinds in the house. I go grab iced coffee from the fridge and a full glass of water. I grab my medications. I sit down at my desk and I open my laptop. I open Spotify and I put on some morning jazz. That sequence helps my brain understand we're starting. And it's not rigid. It's a natural rhythm for me that helps me begin. And it's become a habit, a small ritual that I do every single day. So let's try it so you can create something that fits you. After you try your starting point, just write down, what was it that helped me start? What felt off or heavy? What was misaligned? What might make it feel even better tomorrow? These small notes help your flow evolve naturally, and you can even give these notes directly to AI the next time you try it. Next, we'll test and gently adjust your flow, so it becomes a reliable way to return to action without pressure. Let's keep going.